Hey everyone, this is Kyle with Librium Tech. Today we're going to learn an alternate way to buy Librium. We're going to start with Cash App, and in Cash App we're going to purchase Bitcoin. We're going to send that Bitcoin over to Trust Wallet, and then in Trust Wallet we're going to convert that Bitcoin into BNB. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is select Bitcoin. We're going to hit Buy Bitcoin. And I'm going to do $100. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Next. Now we're going to pause just for a second. I'm just going to say that you want to probably purchase $150 or more because I ran into an issue later because I only purchased $100, so I would recommend doing that right now. So after you put in your address and confirm your identity, you'll confirm your Bitcoin purchase where there'll be a small fee. Check Confirm. And now hit Done. So the next thing we're going to do is scroll down and we are going to deposit Bitcoin. Hit Verify Identity. And hit Continue. Now you're going to choose what form of identity. I'm going to choose driver's license, and then you're going to allow access to your camera. I'm not going to show my driver's license here, so I'll kind of forward through some steps, but then you're going to need to show your face and prove your identity. And it's going to check your photos, and then it's going to say it could take up to 3 days to verify. For me, it only took like 10 minutes. And then after that, you're going to go through a series of questions, and then your Bitcoin features will be enabled once you get approved. So now we're going to send this over to our Trust Wallet. So first we're going to have to go open the Trust Wallet app, select Bitcoin, select Receive, and here you'll see it say Copy to copy your Bitcoin address. And then we're going to go back to Cash App and hit the share icon, then send Bitcoin. I'm going to put in $90 because there's going to be a little bit of a fee, so I don't want to send it all. Then you're going to hit the icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Then we're going to scroll down and paste that address that we got from Trust Wallet. You'll have 3 different options to send the Bitcoin over. I'm just going to use priority for this option, which is a little more expensive for the fee, but you can choose whatever you'd like. And scroll down and hit Next, and then you're just going to confirm and send. Put your Cash App PIN in, and then your initiated withdrawal has begun. So the next thing we're going to do is head on over to Trust Wallet. Now it may take some time, but whether it's 10 minutes or 5 hours, the Bitcoin will come through here. And then we want to swap this Bitcoin to BNB, so we're going to scroll down and select Swap. And here's where you're going to see where I ran into issues because I only bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to select Max, but it's going to say route not available. I found out you need like $120+ worth of Bitcoin for this to work, so I'm going to go ahead and add more funds to my wallet so you can see that working. So now I've added more funds. I'm going to select Max, and then now I'm able to continue. And to confirm my swap, I just hit Confirm. And then at this point, you are playing the waiting game while the processing is happening. So I'm going to go ahead and just head back to my home screen, refresh the page, and wait for the BNB to come in. And I actually had some issues where only half the money got swapped, so I went and bought another $50 on Cash App, $50 in Trust Wallet. So money's kind of all over the place, but basically only some of the money got swapped, and then I went to swap the rest of my money to make sure it would work, but I ran into the same issue where I didn't have enough. So I reached out to John, and he actually had a great solution for another way in which you can turn BTC or Bitcoin into BNB. So I promise this is the last and third app you need to get. Go to the App Store and search for Change Now. We're going to go ahead and get this app here. It looks like that. And open it up. Inside of Change Now, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You just put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to exchange. So I'm going to go back to Trust Wallet real quick. Here you're going to see me copy my full Bitcoin amount, where I'm going to paste it in. Sometimes you want to leave a little bit just in case there's fees, but it worked for me here. I'm just going to paste my full amount of Bitcoin. And then I'm going to turn Ethereum into BNB here, so Bitcoin to BNB. Then we'll just scroll down here and hit Enter Address because it's going to need your BNB address to send your BNB to. So for your BNB address, head over to Trust Wallet. And in Trust Wallet, you're just going to go to your home screen. Then you're going to select BNB. You're going to select Receive. You're going to hit Copy to copy your BNB address. And then on Change Now, you're going to paste your BNB address, allow paste, and start exchange. Now for the last step, you just need to send the rest of your Bitcoin over to Change Now. So we're gonna hit this copy icon next to their Bitcoin address, and you're gonna head over to Trust Wallet. You're gonna go back to your home screen. You're gonna select Bitcoin, and you're gonna hit send. You're gonna paste that address from Change Now. I'm doing max, but again, you might wanna sometimes do a little less for fees, but for whatever reason, it worked fine for me doing max, and hit confirm. And after that, you just wait, and Change Now will send your BNB over. You can see I've got my full amount in there. It took the Bitcoin, and finally all is good. So now we're ready to purchase Librium Tech. If you head over to YouTube and search how to buy Librium Tech, you'll see our video where we purchase Librium Tech using BNB. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, our Telegram community is fantastic in answering them. Please feel free to reach out to us, and we're happy to help. Thanks, everyone.